Hi, my name's Charlie Boorman and I'm very proud to be an ambassador of Duke of Edinburgh Awards. It looks like that you've all survived the weekend and people with loads of experience have all got together and you've all shared experiences. Now you can't rest on your laurels. You need to get out there and think about new and exciting things you can do with your groups. Now that's not to say that you don't have to jump on a motorbike and travel around the world. These kind of weekends are brilliant because, you know, without you guys and without volunteering and without getting together in these groups, you know, you guys are the ones who change young people's lives. So I just want to say, on behalf of everybody at the Duke of Edinburgh Awards, I want to say thank you so much for helping out.